Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Facebook Inc. claims a U.S. Supreme Court decision last week on the FTC's authority to recover money for consumers means the agency's monopoly lawsuit against the company must be dismissed. Mishcon de Reya LLP, known for its legal work advising Princess Diana in her divorce, is considering an initial public offering that could make it the largest publicly traded law firm in the UK. Australia, India, and Japan have formally launched the Supply Chain Resilience Initiative, SCRI, after the plan was first discussed informally in July at the height of the coronavirus pandemic.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's unemployment rate will be released at 23:30 GMT, Germany's unemployment rate at 7:55 GMT, the U.S. gross domestic product annualized at 12:30 GMT. Australia's import price index will be released at 1:30 GMT, Australia's export price index at 1:30 GMT, the U.S. gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.